NASA records sounds of black hole. The U.S. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, recently revealed the sounds of a black hole by recording the X-rays released from one in the Perseus galaxy cluster, which is around 240 million light-years from Earth. To convert the recording into sound waves that are audible to humans, the X-ray data was scaled up in pitch around 58 octaves, or 288 quadrillion times above the original frequency. The resulting audio was both complex and eerie, resembling what we would associate with millions of ghosts moaning at one time. Thank you, NASA, for helping to make known the sounds of a black hole. May all good souls be protected from the dark regions of the universe as we look inwardly to the light in prayers to God.